Raising gas is started talaga. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Sangang daan. Play the music. Flight on time in the middle portion. Down on the inside. Oh, Minstrel rushing up. Holy Minstrel Bazooka comes next. Mutya ng Pasig. Wonderlab while Home Run Babe is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Minstrel by about 3 lengths, and in second is Security King. Sangang daan now moving up to take third. Bazooka is down in fourth. Then comes Play the Music talaga. Moving up is Flight on Time. Running 6 deep now is Holy Minstrel. Next on line is Mutya ng Pasig. Home Run Babe while Wonderlab now racing in less center of the fourth turn. We have Minstrel by our head. Down on the inside is Security King. Sangang daan nice down in third. Then comes Bazooka moving up. Mutya ng Pasig, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Security King this time by about 6 lengths, and in second is Sangang daan. Down on the inside is Minstrel. Last 100 meters we have Security King this time by about 6 lengths over Sangang daan in second, and finally Security King. Sangang daan, Minstrel, Home Run Babe, close, Wonderlab, Bazooka, play the music.